Hey Zach, this is Tyler. I wanted to make this video for you and just give you a couple tips that you could implement right away to start outranking some of your competition online and bringing in consistent jobs for your business. So I have your website pulled up here, and I learned a little bit about your business when I was going through it. Looks like you have, a couple different services that you offer, but it was really focused on remodeling, right? And some contracting work. So what I did was I pulled up a report of your website, and really the couple things I want to focus on are content, backlinks, and citations. So when it comes to content, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words on the home page of a website. So you definitely need to add some more content in here. And then as far as these back pages, right, for all those services that you offer, we want to see anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. And what that will allow you to do is rank for specific keywords that people are typing into Google all the time to find businesses like yours and those services that you offer. So when I pulled up your report, it shows the rank in Google for your site, it shows the backlink information, and it shows the keywords you're currently ranking for. So as you can see, there's not a lot going on here, but I pulled up a couple competitors, all right, that have ranked for keywords that you definitely want to look at. All right, I'm going to show you that here before we get into really anything else. So I went to Google, I typed in bathroom renovation New Jersey. All right, and I think you're going to like the volume of searches that people type into Google for bathroom renovation New Jersey. Okay, but what I did was I skipped the ad section, I skipped the map pack for now, and I came down here into the organic section. And I hit the second result here. So it looks like this is a blog. So I'm going to go right to this business, Monk's Home Improvements. All right. So as you can see here, they've got a good bit of content here as we scroll down. They've got reviews, they've got pictures. All right, so this is definitely a website you would want to beat out, all right, by adding in more content than them. And then this is, just a back page for them. It's a bathroom remodeling page. It's not even their home page. So this is actually going to be a nice one to do because it's going to be easier to outrank a back page. So if I pull up their report, we can see they are ranking for 491 keywords. So if we click that, we can kind of see what's working for them already, and then what keywords you can kind of focus your content around for your site. So we see here bathroom renovation New Jersey, which is that keyword that I typed into Google. It's searched 150 times, okay, a month into Google. Now they're bringing in 19 of those 150 searches. You would imagine, on a monthly basis, they're definitely turning some of these searches into customers, right? Because they're that third spot here. So we see the volume, we see the traffic they're bringing in, and then the position as well. Another search term is bathroom remodeling New Jersey. It's bringing in 90 searches. They're bringing in 13, and they're ranked number 2. All right. We kind of want to focus on these New Jersey ones, right? Because that's the area you're in. Anyone could be searching bathroom remodel timeline, right? We got another one, New Jersey or NJ bathroom remodel, 40 searches. So the list goes on, and like I said, you want to focus on those New Jersey ones. Even here we go, South Jersey, 70 searches. So there's definitely some good ones here that you can utilize. And like I said, there's the volume here. So there's a lot of opportunity to turn this volume into traffic and then customers for your site. I'm going to head back here, and like I said, the second thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. And a backlink is just a vote of confidence. It's a link from one site to another, right? And it passes power and trust, really, and it helps you rank up higher in Google, right? So Google has tons of different ranking factors, but really content and backlinks are the two major ones. So that's the ones we're focusing on. And this site has this back page, right? Because it's not the home page. This back page has 12 sites pointing back to it, and it's giving them 16 backlinks. And just like we went into these keywords, you can go into these backlinks and figure out what's working for them, kind of duplicate that, and then get higher quality backlinks as well. That way these trust and power numbers really go up. And then overall, we can see they're bringing in almost 100 searches a month to their website, and they're valuing that at $574. Now the next competitor, I typed in kitchen remodel New Jersey this time. Skip the map pack, and then we're going to skip that blog, and we're going to head right down here to Advantage Contracting. And again, this is a back page for them. This is their kitchen's back page. Okay, but as we scroll down, you do see a good bit of content. Not a ton though, so you can definitely outrank them with 500 to 1,000 words. Okay, but let's find out what keywords are working. And we see here kitchen remodelers, New Jersey, kitchen remodel, New Jersey, kitchen remodeling, just a ton of different variations of the word there. And it's bringing a lot of volume in for kitchens, right? So there's a ton of opportunity. You can see all the traffic they're bringing in, because they're in the top 3 spots here on the first page of Google. So a kitchen page for you would be really beneficial. And then heading back to the overview, we can see here that this back page has 11 sites pointing back to theirs, giving them 23 backlinks. All right, and their power and trust aren't as good as the other one, so it's definitely beatable, right? We talked about beating it out with content, and then you can go in and create more backlinks to beat them out as well. Okay, you see these guys are bringing in a ton of traffic each month, so definitely want to duplicate them. So we talked about content, we talked about backlinks, okay? The last thing are citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number. And we list those in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages. Okay, and it really has all to do with your Google My Business listing here. So I did have your listing pulled up. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so here's your listing, and we want to optimize this first and foremost. You want all of your information. You want lots of pictures. You want a description. Okay, that way people can find you when they type in your name, or if they type in any of those keywords. Okay, so adding in citations, like I said, will boost this up. And when we click on one of these keywords in Google, we come to this map pack section, and you want to get listed in the top 3 spots, because let's think about it. Anytime someone searches in pizza place near me, or really anything they're looking for, they come to these 3 spots. These guys are getting all the website clicks and phone calls because they're right here. They see these 5-star reviews, all right? They see they're reputable. There's no need to hit view all, right? There's no need to come down here in the organic section and hit the 2nd, 3rd, 4th page. It's the same thing, okay? So add in citations to your listing, really optimize it, and that will help you get it into the top 3 spots. And then the content and backlinks for your site is going to help you get into this organic section. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to brainstorm some ideas with you and maybe figure out how we can help each other out. All right, I'll talk to you soon.